जर्मनी में पढ़ाई का सपना देखने वाले भारतीय छात्रों के लिए बड़ी खुशखबरी। सीबीएस इंटरनेशनल बिजनेस स्कूल और यस जर्मनी ने भारत में जर्मनी का पहला मान्यता प्राप्त स्टूडियन कोलेग प्रेप 4 यूनिवर्सिटी कार्यक्रम लॉन्च किया है। अब छात्र दिल्ली में ही अपनी फाउंडेशन स्टडी और जर्मन लैंग्वेज ट्रेनिंग पूरी कर सकेंगे, जिससे जर्मनी में एडमिशन और वीजा प्रक्रिया आसान होगी। ये कार्यक्रम एलिजिबिलिटी गैप को खत्म करने के साथ छात्रों का समय और खर्च भी बचाएगा। फरवरी और अगस्त से इसके नए सत्र शुरू होंगे।
My name is Christoph Willers. I'm Managing Director of CBS International Business School located in Germany. We are doing the Prep for University program more than 14 years. We have prepared more than our students from more than 100 countries for this kind of foundation year. And just now we have done it only in Germany, and now we will come closer to India to make the first half year here in India, and then after a successful midterm exam, the students will join the German campus.
I mean, there are definitely quite a few geopolitical changes which are driving the popularity of Germany these days. Europe is also relatively cheaper when it comes to education as compared to the United States or Australia or Canada. So that's an obvious one. So the return on investment is much higher. Plus, the education quality that you're getting in Germany is also the German quality, which is very, very, you just have to think of BMW, Porsches, and Mercedes-Benzes. That's kind of a similar quality that you can expect. And the trend of the Indian students actually now figuring this out and moving to Germany. Okay, one is it's driven by expenses. It's kind of obvious that you want to come to a place where the ROI is better. And secondly, of course, there's a lot of universities which are offering education in English. And so even if you come to Germany, you can complete whatever you have in English as well. So that is kind of driving this.
So it's the first time in India that a German university is coming to India, having their own campus where student can avail the education of a German standard in India. Best part is they will be having Indian teachers but trained by the German teachers. So observation, exam, everything will be from the Germany, but the education is in India. It's a perfect Indo-German collaboration example.
As you all know that education is Germany is for 13 years, and in India the education is 12 years. So every student has to do their student colleague, which is their preparatory program. It prepares them for admission into public universities in Germany, and public universities in Germany are almost free. So every Indian student aims that they get into the public university. The student colleague program really helps the students, and especially this India chapter, because it will give students the time to be prepared while they wait for their visas to study, understand the culture, know their friends, know their classmates in advance, and also save on the blocked account.
So about studying in Germany, the message from my side would be, as I said, wherever you are going, whatever you are doing, please prepare well, please know about the program, and please always go through the trusted partners, because nowadays there are many consultants claiming that they can get into good university, but believe me, process is not that easy. You have to follow very minute steps, and those steps sometimes could be really risky. So from whichever consultant you are taking help, but please take care of the process. And also I'm recommending you to learn German if you are choosing German. So that is really, really important.